Do you worry about keeping your food at optimal temperature when you're having a gathering? I'm Gina with WTI, and that's something I worry about because I'd hate to cause issues to my guests. But thankfully, I got a set of chafing dishes from RAMVIC. Not only are these large, they're 9 quart, they can accommodate a lot of food, which is great for the gathering that we had. But we were able to keep the food warm because these are designed with trays underneath the pans that go with burners. These look super classy too because they have a nice shiny silver finish. And the stands are very sturdy. I didn't worry about it toppling over, which would have been a disaster because not only does it have a burner, but also there's a warm bath underneath the food. You only have to attach the handle to the lid with these. Everything else is pre-assembled. And I like that the stands fold down, so it makes it a little bit more of a space saver. The only thing that did take a little bit of time was removing the blue film off of some of the parts. This has a nice rolled edge design, and the handles are very sturdy on the side, so it's easy to move around. This is definitely a must have for your next large gathering, and that's my point of view.